Welcome to our deep dive into how Kaggle Grandmasters and specialized roles can revolutionize NHS analytics and decision-making. The National Health Service in the UK is a vast, complex entity with a wealth of data at its disposal. However, extracting actionable insights from this data is a monumental task. That's where Kaggle comes in. Kaggle, a platform for predictive modeling and analytics competitions, brings together some of the brightest minds in data science. Imagine harnessing this collective intelligence to solve some of the NHS's most pressing challenges. Today, we'll explore 13 key roles that could reshape the future of healthcare data. Each role brings a unique skill set to the table, from advanced data visualization to real-time predictive analytics. These roles aren't just theoretical. They represent actionable strategies that could be implemented to make the NHS more efficient, more responsive, and ultimately, more human-centered. So, let's embark on this journey to understand how these roles could transform healthcare as we know it. From Kaggle Grandmasters to specialized NHS roles, we'll delve into how each contributes to a more dynamic, data-driven healthcare system. Whether you're a data scientist, a healthcare professional, or just a curious mind, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started.
The NHS could gain immense value from comprehensive visual storytelling, uncovering nuanced patient care and resource allocation patterns. Imagine a Kaggle EDA Grandmaster diving deep into NHS data, bringing to light hidden trends and correlations through exploratory data analysis. This isn't just about pretty graphs, it's about actionable insights. For example, pinpointing which demographics are most affected by certain diseases can drive targeted healthcare initiatives. By visualizing patient flow, resource allocation, and treatment outcomes, NHS administrators could make data-backed decisions that optimize both care and costs. Moreover, these visualizations make complex data accessible to non-experts, fostering a culture of data literacy within the NHS. When everyone from healthcare providers to policymakers can understand and engage with the data, the impact is transformative. It turns abstract numbers into compelling stories that can drive meaningful change. In a world where data is increasingly abundant but often underutilized, the role of an EDA Grandmaster is invaluable.
A near real-time patient outcome prediction tool could be a game changer, with AutoML predicting patient needs. Leveraging the power of automated machine learning, a Kaggle AutoML Grandmaster could build models that predict patient outcomes with unprecedented accuracy. Imagine having a system that alerts healthcare providers about high-risk patients before their condition deteriorates. This proactive approach could save lives and reduce the strain on NHS resources. AutoML can rapidly iterate through various models, optimizing for the best performance without extensive human intervention. But it's not just about predictions, it's about actionable insights. For instance, AutoML could identify early warning signs of diseases, enabling timely interventions. It could also optimize resource allocation by predicting patient inflow, ensuring that the NHS is always prepared for demand surges. This kind of predictive capability is a paradigm shift from reactive to proactive healthcare, fundamentally altering how the NHS operates.
NHS Wargames, in the form of predictive simulations, would enable NHS leaders to test responses to crises. Picture a Kaggle Simulations Grandmaster creating intricate simulations that model various healthcare scenarios. These simulations could range from pandemic responses to resource allocation during peak times. By running these war games, NHS leaders can test their strategies in a risk-free environment, identifying potential weaknesses and optimizing their plans. This isn't just theoretical, it's a practical tool for crisis management and strategic planning. Predictive simulations can also help in understanding the long-term impact of policy changes. For example, simulating the effects of introducing a new healthcare policy can reveal unintended consequences, allowing for adjustments before implementation. This level of foresight is invaluable in a healthcare system where decisions can have far-reaching implications. By leveraging the expertise of a simulations grandmaster, the NHS can navigate complex challenges with greater confidence and precision.
Chapter 4. Kaggle Competitions Grandmaster. By designing NHS-specific challenges, Kaggle could crowdsource potential solutions for critical issues. Imagine a Kaggle Competitions Grandmaster curating challenges that focus on pressing NHS problems, from reducing wait times to improving patient outcomes. These competitions would attract data scientists from around the world, each bringing their unique perspectives and skills. The result? A diverse range of innovative solutions that the NHS can implement. Crowdsourcing in this way not only accelerates problem solving, but also democratizes it, bringing in fresh ideas that might otherwise be overlooked. Furthermore, these competitions can serve as a platform for continuous improvement. By regularly updating the challenges based on emerging needs, the NHS can stay agile and responsive. This dynamic approach ensures that the solutions evolve along with the challenges, keeping the healthcare system at the cutting edge of innovation. In a world where rapid change is the norm, the ability to quickly adapt and innovate is crucial. Chapter 5, Kaggle Discussion Grandmaster. Documenting the dataset's evolving use cases would create a data for healthcare library, a Kaggle discussion. Grandmaster brings a wealth of knowledge on how to leverage community insights for problem solving. By fostering discussions around NHS datasets, this role can unearth valuable use cases and best practices. These discussions can be documented to create a comprehensive data for healthcare library, a resource that would benefit researchers, policymakers, and healthcare providers alike. It's about creating a living document that evolves with the data, capturing the collective wisdom of the community. Such a library would be an invaluable asset for the NHS. It would provide a repository of insights that can be referenced and built upon, accelerating the learning curve for new projects. Moreover, it fosters a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement. When knowledge is shared openly, everyone benefits. This collaborative approach aligns perfectly with the NHS's mission to provide the best possible care for everyone. Chapter 6, Kaggle Datasets Grandmaster. Refining and refeaturing datasets would make high-priority information readily accessible for NHS analysts. A Kaggle Datasets Grandmaster has the expertise to fine-tune datasets, ensuring they are optimized for analysis. This involves not just cleaning the data, but also refeaturing it to highlight the most relevant information. For the NHS, this means that critical data points are easily accessible, enabling faster and more accurate decision-making. Whether it's patient demographics, treatment outcomes, or resource utilization, having well-structured datasets is crucial. Moreover, a datasets grandmaster can also ensure that the data is compliant with privacy regulations, a significant concern in healthcare. By anonymizing sensitive information while preserving its analytical value, this role can strike the right balance between utility and compliance. In a data-driven world, the quality of your data is paramount. By refining NHS datasets, the Datasets Grandmaster ensures that the healthcare system can leverage its data assets to their fullest potential.
Orchestrating the flow of dataset insights would ensure timely data processing, keeping NHS projects on track. The role of a critical path manager is crucial in any data-driven organization, and the NHS is no exception. This role involves coordinating various data projects, ensuring that insights are delivered on time and are actionable. It's about managing the flow of information, from data collection to analysis to implementation. By orchestrating this process, the Critical Path Manager ensures that NHS projects stay on track and meet their objectives. In the context of the NHS, this could mean streamlining patient data processing, optimizing resource allocation, or accelerating research initiatives. The Critical Path Manager acts as the conductor of the data orchestra, ensuring that every piece of the puzzle fits together seamlessly. This role is all about efficiency and precision, qualities that are essential for the smooth operation of a complex healthcare system.
This motivational role would help NHS teams stay engaged and energized, crucial for demanding data analysis work. While the term might sound out of place in a healthcare setting, an esports team house coach brings valuable skills to the table. This role is all about motivation, team cohesion, and mental resilience. In the high-stakes world of NHS data analysis, keeping teams engaged and energized is crucial. An esports coach can implement strategies to keep morale high, ensuring that teams remain focused and productive. This role can also bring a sense of camaraderie and healthy competition, fostering a positive work environment. By organizing team-building activities and providing mental health support, the esports coach ensures that NHS data teams are not just effective, but also happy and fulfilled. In a demanding field like healthcare, where burnout is a real concern, this role can make a significant difference in team performance and well-being. acting as a data scout, this role would pursue unique angles within the dataset. The term structured procrastination shaman might sound whimsical, but it carries a serious purpose. This role involves exploring datasets from unconventional angles, uncovering insights that might be missed through standard analysis. By embracing the concept of productive procrastination, the shaman can discover hidden patterns and correlations, offering fresh perspectives on NHS data. This role is all about creativity and curiosity, qualities that are essential for innovative problem solving. In the context of the NHS, a structured procrastination shaman could identify overlooked factors affecting patient outcomes or reveal new ways to optimize resource allocation. By thinking outside the box, this role brings a unique and valuable perspective to data analysis. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, constantly seeking new angles and approaches. In a data-rich environment, this kind of exploratory analysis can lead to groundbreaking discoveries. Chapter 10. This role would create a user-friendly syntax for querying patient histories or generating risk assessments. The Data Ops DSL, or Domain-Specific Language Automation Specialist, is kind of like a technical wizard, creating custom languages that simplify complex data queries. For the NHS, this means developing a user-friendly syntax that allows healthcare providers to easily query patient histories or generate risk assessments. By automating these processes, this role frees up valuable time for healthcare professionals, allowing them to focus on patient care instead of data wrangling. Moreover, a custom DSL can standardize data queries, ensuring consistency and accuracy across the board. This is particularly important in a healthcare setting, where even small errors can have significant consequences. By creating a streamlined and intuitive querying system, the Data Ops DSL Automation Specialist ensures that the NHS can leverage its data assets efficiently and effectively. It's about making data work for people, not the other way around.
VR and AR visualizations, like interactive three-dimensional patient flows, would empower NHS decision-makers to see data in new dimensions. Imagine being able to visualize patient flows through a hospital in 3 dimensions, or using augmented reality to see real-time data overlays on patient charts. A data visualization specialist brings these possibilities to life, using cutting-edge technologies like VR and AR to create immersive data experiences. For the NHS, this means transforming abstract data into tangible, interactive visualizations that decision-makers can engage with. These advanced visualizations can provide deeper insights and foster better understanding of complex data. For example, a 3-dimensional visualization of patient flow can reveal bottlenecks in the system, enabling targeted interventions. AR overlays can provide real-time data updates, helping healthcare providers make informed decisions on the spot. By leveraging VR and AR, the data visualization specialist can turn data into a powerful tool for improving patient care and operational efficiency.
This non-expert perspective ensures the dataset remains practically relevant. Sometimes the most valuable insights come from unexpected sources. A random human contributor brings a non-expert perspective to the table, ensuring that the dataset remains practically relevant. This role involves reviewing data and analysis from a layperson's viewpoint, identifying potential gaps or areas of confusion. By providing this fresh perspective, the random human contributor can highlight practical concerns that experts might overlook. In the context of the NHS, this means ensuring that data-driven solutions are not just technically sound, but also practically applicable. For example, a random human contributor might point out that a complex algorithm is difficult for healthcare providers to use in practice, prompting the development of a more user-friendly solution. This role acts as a bridge between data scientists and end users, ensuring that the final product meets real-world needs.
Communication is key in any organization, and the NHS is no exception. A healthcare communications and public engagement expert specializes in translating complex data insights into clear, patient-friendly language. This role involves crafting messages that are both accurate and accessible, ensuring that patients and the public understand the implications of data-driven decisions. By fostering transparency, this role builds trust and promotes informed decision-making. Moreover, effective communication can drive public engagement, encouraging patients to take an active role in their healthcare. For example, clear explanations of data trends can empower patients to make healthier choices or understand the rationale behind certain healthcare policies. In a data-driven world, the ability to communicate insights effectively is crucial. By bridging the gap between data scientists and the public, the healthcare communications and public engagement expert plays a vital role in the NHS.
In conclusion, each of these roles enables the NHS to operate with foresight and adaptability, transforming healthcare data from static tables into dynamic, strategic resources. By leveraging the expertise of Kaggle Grandmasters and specialized roles, the NHS can turn its vast data assets into actionable insights, driving better patient outcomes and operational efficiency. These roles represent a new frontier in healthcare, where data science and medical expertise come together to create a more responsive and effective healthcare system. The Kaggle collaboration has the potential to become a real-world testbed for healthcare solutions, offering a model that aligns healthcare needs with data science expertise. By embracing this innovative approach, the NHS can stay ahead of the curve, continuously improving and adapting to new challenges. This partnership represents a significant step forward in the journey towards data-driven healthcare. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on the future of healthcare. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest developments in healthcare and data science. Together, we can build a healthier, more data-driven future.